Why do hiccups keep coming? Actually, it is your body glitch. There is a muscle in your chest called diaphragm. It controls your breathing. Sometimes it gets irritated by eating too fast, laughing, or shivering. When diaphragm suddenly tightens, your vocal cords snap shut. Air gets blocked and make the hic sound. Doctors call this a myoclonic jerk. It can be treated by drinking water slowly and holding breath for 10 to 12 seconds. The same thing can be done by eating something sweet also.